To remove the battery from a KTM 350 EXC-F and similar, first you remove the seat by removing this front screw with a Torx 30 or a 4mm Allen wrench. Then you slide the seat forward. It's held by these hooks against those bolts, and in the back these hooks in those slots. It slides forward pretty easily. The next step is to remove this screw that's holding down this entire plastic carriage that all the electronics is on. Then you can cut the cable tie that's holding down this wiring harness. Next is to remove this device. It's held in by a rubber boot that has a big slot in the bottom, but the problem is it doesn't have much room to get that boot off. So the best way, I think, is to pull the hard plastic part out of the rubber boot by about 1/2 inch. It's only caught on the front lip, so you just have to get the lip out of the way, and then you can use this end part as a handle to pull the rubber boot over the slot, over the tab, excuse me. Next step is to cut the cable tie on that side, and it's pretty easy to do the next one, which is lifting these rubber holders off of this device. And then it gets a little trickier. This relay up front can move forward, but only by about 1/2 inch. It's held on to these tabs. The trick is to use a screwdriver or something to push the rubber up over the tabs. And at that point, you're down to the last step, and you might notice that, yes, I have already cut out the plastic and cut it into 2 separate parts, so it's easier to do this next time. But the last step is to wedge the whole plastic carriage up by gently pushing against the battery. It should pop out pretty easily because it's only held in by these angle tabs at the bottom that fits into some slots at the front of the battery. At that point, you're lifting the entire carriage up, and you can, with the wiring harnesses pulled out of the way a little bit, you can lift it up about 2 inches, which is enough to pull the battery out. So I've modified it, like I said, by cutting this into 2 parts, and next time there'll be a lot less work to get enough clearance to take the battery out. And the other thing I've done is I shortened the tabs on that relay by about 1/2 inch so that it's easier to remove even this front piece. But with the 2 parts of this plastic and the seat on top, that battery is at no risk of moving around even with this modification. Hope this helps. Bye.